Literally woke up from a dream about my dog Tilly. Tilly was a beautiful Cocker Spaniel. Tilly went missing once, but thankfully we found her not far from home. Now, the main reason I campaign is because when this happens to people in the Republic of Ireland, they don't know where to turn to. And a lot of the times, it just breaks them. I got a little insight into how this feels for a moment. But I promise you this, I won't stop campaigning for you and your dogs until something changes. Thank you for your support.